This video shows how to remove heavy rust from old pipe threads. What you'll need is rust dissolver, paper towels, an old toothbrush, scraping tools and a drill with a wire brush on it. These two sewer cleanouts were plugged because we could not get a threaded cap on them. Spray rust resolver on the toothbrush and apply to your rusted areas. Then take your drill with the wire brush on it, and scrub that rust. Take your toothbrush and remove the rust dissolver gel. Notice the dark color, that means it's working. Be careful to not let the gel go down in the pipes. Keep reapplying the gel, and wire brushing it, until the threads are free of rust. Spray it with water to clean out all the gel and rust. Then you should be able to put a threaded cap into the sewer cleanout.